Hello everybody, this is Katerina. Welcome to my Katya Beauty Style channel, and look at this difference. This is its video. It will be 5 steps how to make your eye bigger. I'm gonna step by step show you how to make your eye beautiful, bigger, sexy, and it's not gonna cost you much money. It's all about technique. Watch, subscribe, comment below, and if you like, please give me thumbs up. Yes, in this video I will show you in 5 steps how to make your eyes bigger, and I want you to point on one of my eye and another. This is eye, if you can see, it's already a little bit bigger and little bit up, and this eye you can see it's more close and down, and I'm gonna work on this eye and I'll show you a trick how to make your eye bigger. First step, I'm gonna use Christian Dior concealer, and it's a color 1CR. It's a newest concealer from Dior. I actually don't see much difference from old version and new version, but we're gonna use first concealer. I'm gonna use my little finger. I'm gonna warm my concealer, and I'm gonna apply right here on the corner of my eye, because this is, will say, very dark area on my eye, and I'm gonna put right here. Gonna apply and blend this concealer, but I'm not gonna put close to my lashes, because it's gonna make my eye much more smaller. And I'm gonna leave this eye without any makeup, but you will see all this difference. When I finish my concealer, I'm gonna use a powder, and this is Makeup Forever loose powder. I'm gonna set my concealer. Do not wait concealer to dry. You need to apply right away. And I apply like this is, it's my like a puff. I'm putting on my puff, and I'm just basically pushing this product inside puff, and I'm just gonna little bit press. Then second step, I'm gonna use today Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer, and it's pretty like white. I'm gonna show you on my hand. You can see it's really white. I have concealer brush from Chanel. I love this brush, and we're gonna use this blending brush first. And I'm gonna apply this color all over my eyelid. We have another end, and this is, it's your flat brush. I'm gonna use same eyeshadow primer from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm gonna apply little bit more close to my brows. And this is technique will lift my eye. Same brush, I'm gonna apply a little bit more this primer, and I'm gonna apply on my eyelid little bit more intense. And it's my suckle area, and I actually even gonna go little bit more above my suckle area. And this is light intense color. You can see it start from this corner, it's go up above my suckle area. I don't go to right away to here, just kind of blended and soft on my end. And now it's time to use eyeshadow palette. Today I choose MAC palette. We have matte colors here and its name Semi Sweet Time 9. Okay, let's use this light color. I have a big brush, blending brush, and I'm gonna set my primer. Now I have another blending brush and we're gonna use this color. It's right here. It is matte color and it's like a very soft taupey beige color. And look what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna little bit lift my head up and I'm gonna right here, it's my suckle area and I can feel my bone right here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply this color above. Again, we have just only one color with you and I'm just very softly blending color. It's not to look too much. It looks very soft. Again, I want you to see right there, it's my suckle area and I feel in my bone and I applying above. Same eyeshadow we're gonna use and I'm gonna apply on this brush. I'm just gonna put this brush like press on the corner of my lid and I pushing product up. And let's add little bit more. We're lifting and we're opening my eye. I hope you start see a difference already just with this trick what I showed to you. You can see how this eye already start opening, right? Now I have another small tiny brush and we're gonna use this color right here. I'm gonna put this eyeshadow little bit on my hand. I don't want too much color. And now I'm gonna use this small brush and what's gonna happen, I'm gonna little bit like a smile and you can see I have little roll. We're not gonna apply close to my lashes this color. We're gonna apply underneath of this roll very softly and then we're gonna blend with bigger brush. And this color, it's not too intense, it looks very soft. And now I have a big blending brush and I'm just gonna little bit soft this line. And look at my two eyes. You can see how this eye way more bigger than this one. It's already, right? And now I'm gonna use color Shroom from MAC. It's have little bit shimmer, but not intense. It's very soft. And let me show you on my hand first. You can see its glow here. It's not like metallic. It's a beautiful soft glow. This color I'm gonna apply on the center of my eyelid and I also pushing little bit up this color. Now I have a smaller brush and whereas my finger cannot reach, I applying. I'm applying a little bit above my suckle area right here. You can, if I put it down, it's from my suckle area and I turn my brush and I apply a little bit up. You can see it's right here. Same color I'm gonna put on the corner of my eye. Now I have clean blending brush and I'm just gonna little bit blend this. And let me show you so far what we have with you. Very soft, very natural. Look at how my eye bigger, open, lifted. I'm a little bit far right now from camera and I want you to see how again my eye bigger, lifting, open, and it looks very natural. Remember, I love natural look. And let me remind you what steps we done with you. We put concealer, but we do not put concealers close to lashes. Then I apply eyeshadow primer on the entire my eyelid, and more I put on my eyelid and little bit above my suckle area. Then we have with you a very soft color, and this is its, I will say, your middle color, and I don't apply to my suckle area. I went above, very soft, and I apply little bit in the corner. Then I have another shadow and apply underneath, but I do not apply close to my lashes. I smile right here. It's like, I will say, my like eye roll, and I apply where is under my eye roll, and I just little bit smudge, make soft, nothing aggressive, nothing it's too like bright or deep colors, really natural. Now I'm gonna use gel eyeliner and then mascara, and you will see a huge difference. Now I'm gonna use Urban Decay eyeliner. I believe it's colored Emotion, and it's a gel, very soft color, and it's like, it's not black, it's a beautiful like a soft taupey brown color. And this color I'm gonna apply under my lashes, but like we're gonna apply very close. I apply this color very close to my lashes, and I actually kind of, you can see like pushing up this eyeliner. Now look at again, one eye and another eye. Ooh, it's a huge difference. I have again same pencil and I have a paper towel. I'm gonna little bit, we'll say, shave and sharp my eyeliner. After 40, I need little bit lift my eyelid to do this procedure. This is how I will name. I'm gonna lift my eye little bit, and now I'm gonna apply this eyeliner very close to my lash line. First we apply under, and now I apply on top. Now I'm gonna grab a small brush, and you know what, I'm gonna just use, we'll say, concealer brush, but it's like pretty skinny. Again, I'm gonna lift my eye and I'm gonna very quickly soft this line. Now I am gonna put like little bit dot on my corner of my eye. I will say like little bit more eyeliner I apply, and I have right away my brush, and I'm gonna just soft, and I pushing this eyeliner little bit up. You barely can see it. Again, look at one my eyes and another one. Not yet even have mascara here. If you have an oily lid, you can just put on top little bit any like eyeshadow, but to me this is good eyeliner and I don't need to do this. And we almost finishing this look, but one more important step is coming. Okay, let's put primer from Lancome, then I'm gonna use mascara, and it's a Chanel Inimitable Intense Mascara. This mascara, it's a curling, separate, and volume. And where is gonna be trick on it for bottom, I'm not gonna put mascara close to my waterline. I actually very little I'm gonna just put mascara on my end of my lashes. Okay, but mascara will make a huge difference. And I finished this look. Look at how huge difference. Look at how this eye open, big. It looks like totally different person. And it's not about what palette you use. It's how to apply this eyeshadow. It's technique. Again, and remember, I choose a worse eye. It's my more open eye. Girls, I hope you like this video. Please give me thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe. Love you more than ice cream. And let me know what you think about, because it is huge difference. And of course, I'm gonna done right now this eye.